So I know a lot of you guys were waiting to see what the secret drift car build was going to be, but I've got some bad news. I have sold it, and none of you have seen it, so let me show you what it was. But the good news is that there's something new. Maybe. Let's go look, and then you can catch a glimpse of her and say our goodbyes. And there she goes. You got to give your drift car a hooker name. Her name was Crystal.
3 weeks later.
So I done something. Any guesses? I think that shape is a bit of a giveaway. So Adriano, would you like to do the honors and do the big reveal? Don't scratch her. Oh, look how sexy. You guessed it. It's a Z, baby. So initially I wanted to get the 350Z with the HR motor. Just has a bit more power and torque. However, I could not say no to this one. She is in absolute perfect condition. I mean, just look at her. With only 49,000 kilometers on the clock, it was a no-brainer. You know that car that everyone wishes about? One lady owner, only driven on weekends? I found it. I literally found it. And no, it wasn't sales talk. It's legit. I'm so happy with her. Let's show you the inside. Okay, so as you can see, black leather interior. Everything is mint. It's still got a freaking tape deck. This thing is 100% standard and original. And I think I'm going to keep it, to be honest, because I don't have another tape player. I can enjoy my old school tapes and music. I liked the techno when I was younger, let's just say that. And just in case you didn't believe me about the low mileage, I have put on a few extra kilometers. But now she's on 50,378 kilometers. Big score. Stock, original, standard. Why did I buy a Nissan 350Z and sell the 200SX rolling chassis drift car? Firstly, I do have, Dexter, put a picture of him up here, the white 200SX. At the moment, it's currently not running. I thought it was a turbo, but it's not. Just not getting any boost. So there's a boost leak somewhere. I'm hoping that it's just the exhaust manifold. So I'm currently fixing that. So basically, I had two non-working race/sports cars which I couldn't enjoy, and it was really frustrating. So I sold the drift car and I bought this 350Z. My intention is to keep her stock and original, and the reason for that, I just want a reliable car that I can enjoy on weekends, or a car that I can take to the track, the skid pan, or do a bit of drifting. Probably not any tandems or anything like that. I don't want to damage this car. It is in such good condition. Now, I mean, you all know the 350Zs are really reliable cars. Good motors, decent power, good torque. Those of you with race cars, you know the race car life. Race it, break it, throw money at it, fix it, and repeat. So that was my kind of experience. Two non-running race cars and not enjoying them. So I want to change that. Before I forget, I still need to name her. So perhaps you guys can help me out with that. Put your suggestions down in the comments below. And then I'm thinking maybe I'll create a poll and the most votes wins. Because she's not going to be a full-on drift car, I guess stripper/hooker names are kind of out the window. She needs something a bit more elegant. She's very refined and original and in good condition. This needs to be reflected in her name. What do you guys think?